We've been checking our examples by multiplying out, and that is typically how you would check any factoring problem because factoring is undoing multiplication, so we just redo the multiplication to check. But it is possible to check in Desmos as well. When we factor, we are basically trying to come up with a different way of writing the problem that still represents the same thing. So when we factor, we haven't really changed the value of anything. We've just written it in a different way. So if we graph the equation that we started with, or the expression I should say, 5x squared minus 40x plus 60, which was one of our examples recently, and then we graph separately what our answer would be in factored form, y equals 5 times x minus 2 times x minus 6, what you see is that we had two graphs as I worked, but then one of them overlapped the other exactly. So if I turn the blue graph on and off the factoring example, what I see is that they're overlapping each other exactly as I turn them on and off. So there's the initial expression, 5x squared minus 40x plus 60, and then when I graph the factored form graphs exactly on top. So they are representing the exact same thing, just in two different forms. So this is one way to check your factorization. If you had the wrong factorization, so say I had the signs wrong, x plus 2 times x plus 6, what you would see if you would check them against each other is you get two separate graphs because you haven't factored correctly. They do not represent the same thing. So only the factorization that is correct will entirely overlap the original expression.